Are you concerned that your historic mortgage mispayments may be harming your chances of getting a mortgage?
In this video, we're going to explain how it's possible to get a mortgage with missed mortgage payments. So let's have a look at the missed mortgage payments themselves. The first thing that the lender's looking at is when were the missed mortgage payments. So the further away that they are, the higher the probability of you getting a mortgage. The second thing that they're looking at is how late were those payments. So again, the more missed payments that you have, the less chance of you getting a mortgage. And then the final thing that the lender's looking at is, are those payments now up to date? Because if they're up to date, again, there is a higher probability of you getting a mortgage.
The next thing to factor in is the level of deposit you have available. Now, if the mortgage arrears are recent, it may mean that you will need to increase your level of deposit. If you do have a large deposit, it may mean potentially accessing lower interest rates, and the larger deposit combined with the mortgage arrears, it potentially means that you've got access to more lenders.
So the last thing that the lender's looking at is your credit report. So is there any other adverse credit on your credit report, such as things like defaults, CCJs, late payments? If you do have other adverse credit, it doesn't mean that you cannot get a mortgage. It may just mean that there are fewer lender options available. What they're also looking at is, how have you managed your credit recently? Have you kept up with your repayments? And if so, that will increase your chances of being able to get a mortgage.
So there you go. It could be possible for you to get a mortgage, even with the mortgage mispayments.
So head over to our website, leave an inquiry, and we'll match you to one of our specialist brokers.
And create the financial future you deserve.